Today I'll be making oatmeal cookies and you'll be watching me do it, and you can also make it at home yourself. Don't worry, it's going to be so easy. You only need just a few ingredients like you can see right here and just a few tools. Really, it's easy. Here you can see all my ingredients I have shown you right here, and I will show them one by one to you, and the exact measurements will pop up on the screen. So, this is flour. The flour is like low protein flour, and we have butter right here. Here we have white sugar and brown sugar. This is our toppings. Oatmeal and raisins. You can use whatever raisins you like, whatever berries, up to you, it's your choice. You can also add your own toppings if you want. And this one is salt. We're just gonna use a little bit of it, you don't need a lot. My salt is in this container, so I just bring it all with me. This one egg, you only need one egg, you don't need more. And we have baking soda and vanilla. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, now that we're done with that, I just went over to get a few tools that I need, which is, for now, just this one. We're going to use this for mixing the butter and sugar. So, start with your butter. You put it in a big bowl if you have, that's great. Now, just put your white sugar and brown sugar in, then you mix it with your hand mixer. Put it like so. Okay, this way. Oh, just mix it up. Very good. That's not on. Be right back. Let's see how it works now. Wait. You're supposed to mix it in low speed first and gradually increase the speed. Alright, now that we're done with that, our batter should look like this. And now we put our egg in, our salt, and baking soda and vanilla. Just put it in the batter. You don't have to mix it separately. Just a little bit of salt, maybe like a pinch. This, we're not using this no more. Now I'll go get my whisk or a spatula, but I'm going to be using a spatula. Okay. Next, you put your flour in together with your oatmeal and raisins. That in. Right, now we mix. Make sure you mix it well and well combined. Yeah, make sure you mix it well combined. we're done. We're basically done. Here, this is what it looks like. I have no idea if you can see that. Hope you can see that though. I did make a little recording on me mixing that before. A lot of errors happening there. I might really actually just show you some bloopers. But yeah, now that we're done, you have two choices. You either choose to put this in the fridge to rest for an hour or even overnight. It's best if you put it in the fridge actually overnight. It will actually taste better. The smell will be more, what do you call it? I have no idea, but it smells great like that. Or you can choose to bake it right away. And in my case, I don't have much time. It's already late, so I'm just gonna bake it right away. I will now prepare a baking tray and make sure my baking tray is placed with baking paper so it doesn't stick. Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, got them ready. And now I use 2 spoons to just scoop up my batter, like so. Oh yeah, for the size, it's up to you. I prefer to be small, but yeah, it's really up to you. There. Is it too big? After that, you just flatten it down. I have a feeling I made it too big. It's okay. I just have to make them smaller now. So, not really. I don't think so that... Wait, what? Sorry. I don't think I make my cookies look the same way. As long as they look circular, I guess it's fine. Yeah. Okay, this will take a long time. So, be right back. I kind of got a little carried away here. I just realized I actually already put my oven to like heat up first. So I'm going to bake these for, I don't know, 10 till 15 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. But really, it depends on your cookie size, because if the cookie size is bigger, you'll need more time, and it also depends on your oven. So just figure it out yourself, depending on your own oven. But yeah, for my oven and my cookie size, 180 degrees Celsius is enough, and 10 until 15 minutes is perfect. So I'm gonna put them in. Okay, so I did another batch, but the other one's still baking. You have the option to put it in the fridge, which is nice. So I'm gonna do that. And I also still have some leftovers right here, some extras. I'm gonna put them in the fridge too. Alright, I'm all done now. So, I've got about 9 batches, which is like 9 times 3, 27. Yeah. I got 27 pieces of cookies around this size. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out now. It's great. It's crunchy outside, soft and inside, and it smells so amazing. This house smells like it everywhere. It's amazing. You know, my dad can't stop talking about wanting to eat it. So I guess now he can eat it. That's all for my video now. And see you again next time. See ya.